Hello sweeties, welcome back to another video. We're jumping right into this install. So I'm going to be using my Fit Me by Maybelline and 355 to tint my wig cap just in the area where the 4x4 will be. So the wig we're going to be reviewing is a 14-inch 4x4 wig by Beluck on Amazon. I've actually done a review for them before, and the hair was great for like everyday use. So I'm going to take that same foundation and just rub it all over that closure to make sure that the lace is nice and tinted. So now I'm going in with my Got2b. I'm going to do about 3 layers of this, and then I'm going to tie it down with my elastic band. So now that I've taken the band off, I'm just going to put those pre-parted baby hairs back so that I can cut off the lace. Okay, so after I cut off the lace, you see me go back in with Got2b. I do that basically just to make sure that very end of that lace is laid down. Sometimes when you're cutting off the lace, you're lifting and doing different things, and if it's not down good, it might lift. So this is just to make sure one last time that it's down all the way. So for my baby hairs, I always use setting foam. It just works really well. You can slick them down, mold them to set them in the shape that you want them to be. And if you're doing like a little fluffy, curly style and you want your baby hairs to be fluffy too, you could just comb them back out, but they will keep that shape. So I just think it's really great. I think that it's a lot better than gel too, because over time you will have to wash that gel out because they get too hard and crunchy. But with the styling foam, you can restyle them multiple times and they'll still look just as great. So after I use the styling foam and I have my baby hairs just the way I want them, you will see me tie it back down because you just don't want it to lift because of the wetness of the styling foam. So you want to go ahead and tie them down immediately. You might even want to blow dry it just so that it's really set and molded really well, and it'll come out great. Now I'm going to come back in with the wax stick. This is just to make it really flat and get any flyaways. I will say that this closure did have quite a bit of flyaways, but it's not bad. And you'll see in the end that Once you use your wax stick and things like that, you won't even be able to tell. But if I had anything to say to the company, it would definitely be to upgrade the closure. Okay, so it's time to get to cutting, y'all. I went ahead and chose to do like a shoulder length bob above the shoulder. I could not really see what I was doing right here, so I did have to end up going to my three-way mirror, but I just wanted to kind of trim it on camera for you guys and show you how I usually kind of do it. It's okay to get help, and it's also okay if you choose to cut it on your mannequin head before you install it. That's probably what I advise anyways, but since this is an install, I wanted to do it on camera for y'all. And you're going to see that I changed my shirt later because I couldn't see what I was doing, child. My final thoughts on this hair is it is doing what it's supposed to do for the price. You know, like I said, I wasn't a huge fan of the closure just because of so many flyaways. But as you can see, it still looks phenomenal. You can still style it and make it work. I don't have anything super bad to say about this wig. I'll also link the other Beluck wig that I did before. It was really great for like everyday use. I think if you're looking for something that you can wear on a regular basis that's affordable, I do think that their wigs are nice for that. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this install, I hope you consider hitting subscribe. Don't forget to like the video as well, and I will see you guys in the next one.